Welcome. In this tutorial, we will review the automatic clear bridged transactions through advanced bank reconciliation feature. This feature has been released in application version 10.0.39 and it's managed by the Feature Management Workspace. This feature allows you to automatically clear the bridged payment transactions while performing the bank reconciliation instead of clearing them manually using the general journal. Part of the feature configuration also you can configure the bridge accounts per bank account. Let's get started from the Feature Management Workspace. I'll navigate to the Feature Management and ensure that the automatic clear bridged transactions through advanced bank reconciliation feature is enabled. After that, we have to specify the bridge account, and when this feature is enabled, we can specify the bridge account either on the method of payment as usual or on the bank account. So let's navigate to the method of payment. So I'll navigate to the accounts payable module, setup, payment setup, then method of payment. And here we have a method of payment that is used for the bridged transactions. Let's specify here the bank account. I'm gonna specify this account, and here we have the normal bridging posting, and we have a new option, bridging account by bank account. And you will notice that when this option is enabled, the normal bridging account is disabled. This account is disabled because we have to specify the bridge account on the bank account level. So I'll navigate to the bank accounts, and here we have the bank account number 5. Here we can specify the bridging account. So here I'm gonna select a bridge account like the notes payable. Then I'll scroll down to the reconciliation fast tab, and here I'll enable the clear bridged transactions during the reconciliation. So the bridge transactions will be cleared automatically. And in order to clear the bridge transactions automatically, indeed, we will need a default journal that will be used for this transaction. And this journal is specified in the cash and bank management module. Setup cash and bank management parameters. Then here in the bank reconciliation, we can specify the clearing journal name. Now let's perform the bank reconciliation. Before that, I have posted a vendor payment. Here we can see the vendor as usual on the debit side by 100, and here I have used a bridging method of payment. So we can see in the offset account the notes payable account. This is the bridge account that has been specified on the bank account. Then now we can navigate to the bank account and start the bank reconciliation. I'll click here worksheet. And here we can see that we have two transactions. The first one is a normal deposit, so I'm gonna match them against each other. Then the second one is the vendor payment. Here we can see the vendor payment has been credited already on the bank. However, in Dynamics, in the bank account of Dynamics, still a bridge transaction. It has not been cleared from the bridge account to the bank account. So what we can do, before this feature, we have to navigate to a general journal, then clear this bridge transaction. But using this feature, we can automatically clear the bridge transaction. So I'm gonna match these two transactions against each other, then I'll click mark as reconciled. Then in the background, there is a batch job that is running, and it will create the general journal of the bridge transactions automatically. So if I'll navigate right now to the general journal, here we can see a new journal that has been created, and this is a normal bridge transaction. So here we can see the notes payable account, the bridge account on the debit side, where the bank in the credit side, and here we can see a detailed description for this transaction. If clearing the journals have posting errors for any reasons during the bank reconciliation, you can first fix these errors, then you can rerun clearing bridging payments once again through a periodic function. So here I'll navigate to the cash and bank management, periodic tasks, then here clear bridge transactions. Here you have to select the reconcile ID, then click OK.